Good morning, students. Now I want to answer Engineering Mathematics 1 previous exam question papers. So, in differential equations occupies two full questions 3 R4, 5 R6. Okay, now we will answer 3A R sin theta d theta plus R cube minus 2R square cos theta plus cos theta into dr. So the differential equation is in the form of m d theta plus n dr equal to 0, where m is equal to r sin theta, n is equal to r cube minus 2r square cos theta plus cos theta. So dou m by dou r is equal to sin theta and dou n by dou theta is equal to 0 minus 2r square. Cos theta derivative is minus sin theta and cos theta derivative is minus sin theta. So dou m by dou r not equal to dou n by dou theta. Here we note that partially differentiate with respect to r means you treat theta as a constant. Partially with respect to theta means you treat r as a constant. So you have to remember the concept. So here dou m by dou r not equal to dou n by dou theta. So equation 1 is not exact. And you check dou n by dou theta minus dou m by dou r by m. So this is 2r square sin theta minus 2 sin theta by r sin theta. And now 2 sin theta take common. 2 sin theta of r square minus 1 by r sin theta, which is equal to 2 of r square minus 1 by r. And now 2 into r square by r is 2r, 2 into minus 1 by r, which is minus 2 by r. Now find integrating factor. E power integral dou n by dou theta minus dou m by dou r by m, which is equal to e power integral 2r minus 2 by r dr. Integral of 2r dr is 2 into r square by 2. So 2 got cancelled. Minus 2 by r integration is 2 log r. And this can be written as e power r square into e power minus 2 log r. So e power r square into, you write e power log r power minus 2, because m log n can be written as log n power m. So e power r square into e log cancelled, we have r power minus 2. So that we write e power r square by r square. And you note that there is a formula about e power log f x is f of x. Now multiplying equation 1 with this integrating factor. So this is e power r square by r square into this plus e power r square by r square into r cube minus 2r square cos theta plus cos theta dr equal to 0. After simplifying, you get e power r square by r into sin theta d theta plus e power r square into r minus 2 cos theta plus cos theta by r into dr. You say the equation 2. Now it is in the form of m1 d theta plus n1 dr is equal to 0. So m1 is e power r square into sin theta by r, n1 is e power r square into r minus 2 into e power r square into cos theta plus e power r square into cos theta by r. Now again find out dou m1 by dou r. Here sin theta is constant and apply quotient rule. R square r into derivative dou by dou r of e power r square minus e power r square into dou by dou r of r. So after simplifying, you get 2 into e power r square sin theta minus e power r square by r square into sin theta. Okay. and again find out dou n1 by dou theta. With respect to theta means r is constant. So e power r square r is constant. Dou n1 by dou theta means it is partially differentiated with respect to theta. So it is 0 plus two into e power r square sin theta, because cos theta derivative is minus sin theta, and e power r square by r is constant, derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. So finally it is equal to 2 into e power r square sin theta minus e power r square by r into sin theta. Okay, and observe that dou m1 by dou r is equal to dou n1 by dou theta. So this is exact. So equation 2 is exact. If the differential equation is exact, then the general solution is integral m1 d theta plus individual terms of r and constant of n1. Okay. So write as it is m1. What is m1? E power r square into sin theta by r is m1, and treat r as a constant plus individual terms of r. That means you take only r terms. Wherever theta involved, you just leave them. So in n1 involved first term e power r square into r, there is no theta, so that we have to take. But second and third term involved theta, so that you just discard. Only r terms and constant, and leave them wherever theta involved. Okay. Now here r is constant, so that it means that e power r square by r is constant. Take note, and integral of sin theta is minus cos theta plus, and to evaluate integral e power r square r dr, it means you just substitute r square is equal to t, 2r dr equal to dt, r dr equal to dt by 2. You put into this e power t dt by 2, and e power minus e power r square by r into cos theta plus 1 by 2 taken out. Integral of e power t is e power t. Okay. So, and again substitute t for r square, minus e power r square by r into cos theta plus of e power r square is equal to c is the required solution. Okay. Next we go for 3b. In 3b, given that if the population of a country doubles in 50 years, in how many years will it triple? Assume that the rate of increase is proportional to the number of inhabitants. Number of inhabitants. So the statement shows it is natural of law of growth. Natural law of growth. So according to the statement, we just write according to the statement dn by dt is proportional to n, where n is the number of population. Okay. So dn by dt is proportional to n. This means dn by dt is equal to kn, where k is a constant. Okay. And now by variables and separables, dn by n is equal to k dt. And now integrating on both sides, integral 1 by n dn is log n, integral k dt, k is a constant, integral 1 dt is t, plus log c. So in the place of constant we are writing log c, okay, by simplifying purpose. So log n minus log c is equal to kt. According to the definition, log m minus log n can be written as log of m by n. That is, log n minus log c can be written as log n by c is equal to kt. Okay, so log of n by c is equal to kt. So by definition we write n by c is equal to e power kt. Okay, so n of t equal to c into e power kt. Now the initial population is not given in the question, so that we are taking initial population is n naught. Initial population is n naught. So substitute t is equal to 0, n is equal to n naught in equation 1. N is equal to n naught c e power k into 0. So e power 0 is 1. C is equal to n naught. After getting c, you put into first equation. We have n of t is equal to n naught into e power kt. Okay, given that the population doubles in 50 years, it means that n is equal to 2n naught at 50 years. So substitute n is equal to 2n naught comma t is equal to 50 in equation 2. Okay, so because n naught is initial population, okay, so substitute 2n is equal to 2n naught, t is equal to 50 in equation 2. 2n naught is equal to n naught into e power k into 50. So cancelling n naught on both sides, e power 50k is equal to 2. According to the definition, a power x equal to n, x equal to log n base. So 50k is equal to log 2. K is equal to log 2 base e. I mean k is equal to log 2 by 50. K is equal to log 2 by 50. So substitute k is equal to 1 by 50 log 2 in equation 2. Okay. Now find out the time when the population triples. That is, n is equal to 3n naught for what time? Okay. Substitute n is equal to 3n naught in equation this. That is, 3n naught is equal to n naught e power 1 by 50 into log 2 into t. And now our target is to find out t. So cancelling n naught on both sides. So it is 3 is equal to e power log 2 by 50 into t. By definition we write log 2 by 50 into t is equal to log 3. Okay. Now t is equal to 50 into log 3 by log 2. Using calculator you can find this 79.25 years. So the population will triple when time is 79.25 years. Okay, right. Now go for fourth question. What is given?